Mark. You look a bit frustrated today.
Yeah, I am. Something really annoying happened yesterday.
Oh no, what happened?
So I went to this restaurant, nothing fancy, just a normal place. I was hungry, tired, just wanted a good meal.
That sounds simple enough.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I sat down, looked at the menu, everything looked good.
Okay.
I ordered something I really like, a chicken dish.
Nice.
Yeah, I was actually excited because I hadn't eaten that in a while.
And then?
The food came. I looked at it, and immediately I felt like, something's wrong.
Oh no.
Yeah, it didn't look like what I ordered.
That's the worst.
Exactly. I checked again, looked at the menu, and I was like, yeah, this is not what I asked for.
So what did you do?
Nothing.
What?
Yeah, I just sat there, staring at the food, thinking, what do I say?
That is very real.
Yeah, I didn't want to sound rude. I didn't want to complain.
But at the same time, it's your food.
Exactly. I paid for it, but I just didn't know how to say it.
Okay, let's stop here. Imagine you are Mark. Your food is wrong. What would you say?
Maybe, sorry, I think this is not what I ordered.
Yes, that's perfect.
Really?
Yes, simple, polite, clear.
That actually sounds easy now.
Because it is. So, Mark, let's go back to that moment. You look at the plate, you know it's wrong. What do you say?
Okay. Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Perfect. Now say it again more naturally.
Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Yes, that sounds real.
I like the I think part.
Exactly. It makes it softer.
Yeah, it doesn't sound aggressive.
Right, because you're not saying this is wrong. You're saying, I think this is not what I ordered.
That feels much safer
Exactly.
because I don't want conflict.
Most people don't.
So soft language is better.
Yes, always.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Now, imagine the waiter says, "Oh, I'm sorry."
Okay,
What do you say?
it's okay.
Yes.
Or no problem.
Perfect.
Even if I'm a bit annoyed.
Yes, you can still be polite. All right, let's continue. So the waiter says, "I'm sorry."
Yeah.
What happens next?
I think this is where I still feel a bit uncomfortable.
Why?
Because I don't know if I should explain more.
Ah, good point. So what can you say?
I ordered the chicken, but this looks different.
Yes, that's very clear.
Or maybe, I think I ordered something else.
Perfect.
That feels safe again.
Exactly. You're explaining, but still polite. Now, imagine the waiter checks your order
Okay.
and says, "Oh, you're right."
Okay.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Yes.
Or thanks for checking.
Perfect.
That, feels respectful.
Now, imagine something more awkward.
Oh no.
Yes. The waiter says, "No, this is what you ordered."
Oof, okay, that's uncomfortable.
Yes. So what do you say?
Oh, really?
Yes, that's a very natural reaction.
Or, I'm not sure.
Perfect.
That gives you time to think.
Now you want to double check.
Okay, can I see the menu again?
Yes.
Or can I check my order?
Perfect.
That feels calm, not aggressive.
Exactly. Now imagine you confirm it's wrong.
Okay.
What do you say?
Sorry, I think there was a mistake.
Perfect.
Or I think this is not what I ordered.
Yes. Back to the simple sentence.
Simple really works.
Always. Now the waiter says, "I'll fix it."
Okay.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Yes.
Or I appreciate it.
That's great too.
Yeah, that sounds a bit more polite.
Now imagine you're waiting again.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
Honestly, a bit hungry and slightly annoyed.
That's very real.
But I don't want to complain too much.
Right.
So I just wait.
Now the correct food comes.
Finally.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Yes.
Or that looks great.
Perfect.
Even if I'm still a bit annoyed inside.
Yes, but you stay polite. Now imagine something else is wrong.
Oh no, again?
Yes, the food is cold.
Okay.
What do you say?
Sorry, it's a bit cold.
Perfect.
Not too strong, just honest.
Exactly. Now imagine the food is not what you expected.
Hmm.
That's harder to say. Yes, so what can you say?
Hmm. It's not what I expected.
Perfect.
That sounds polite.
Yes, very natural. Now let's build a longer conversation.
Okay. Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I ordered the chicken, but this looks different.
Let me check.
Okay, thank you.
You're right. I'll fix it.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
That sounds very real. Now let's add hesitation.
Okay. Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I ordered the chicken.
Let me check.
Thanks.
That hesitation makes it feel very natural. Quick challenge. Your food is wrong. What do you say?
Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Perfect. Now add more detail.
Okay. Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered. I ordered the chicken.
Nice. Now add emotion.
Hmm. Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered. I was really looking forward to the chicken.
That feels very real. So, speaker two, how do you feel now?
Much better.
Why?
Because now I know what to say even in awkward situations.
And what's the key?
Keep it simple and stay polite.
Exactly. Next time something goes wrong,
I won't just sit there.
good.
I'll say, excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Perfect.
No more silent suffering.
Exactly. See you next time.
See you.